Alright, check out my wireless light switch mod. So I wanted to be able to turn my room light on and off from bed as well as here. So I got this little wireless light kit. It takes a coin cell in the back here, and this is just a holder. You can clip them on or wherever you want, and you can turn the lights on and off. See? So it worked, but the problem was I would come into the bedroom and go to instinctively flip on the light, but of course it was already on because I installed the module inside the light fixture like this. So here's the little module up inside the light fixture. So to activate it, to power it up, you just leave the light switch switched to on, like that, always on, and it worked good. But like I said, when I'd come in the room, I'd go to instinctively sweep on the light, but it'd already be on. So I made this little wire linkage, which I sewed on. I drilled some holes and sewed it on with fishing line. So now, when I go to sweep up the light switch, it presses the on switch on the wireless. And of course, when I'm leaving the room, I can see the off and just hit the off.